Monee, the bad.
You know you the baddest, baby.
Hey y'all, it's India Monee. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen part 1 to this video, please go watch part 1 of this vlog. So this vlog is going to be the second part of the Croatia trip. So Yachtnik starts. If you don't know what Yachtnik is, I explained it in part 1. So like I said, go back, watch that one. Yachtnik starts, so we check into our boat. We explore, we go exploring, we go to some caves and things like that. And this is where the party starts. The partying starts. So yeah, we did Yachtnik and we stayed in Croatia for 11 days. I really explained that all in the first video. So make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, join the posse, because clearly we having fun over here. And leave some comments. Let's talk, let's chat. If you have any questions about Yachtnik, Croatia, the trip, or if you just want to chat, make sure you know, get those fingers moving in the comments and add me on Instagram. So let's get into the action. Nisha, what day is it? I said, what day is it? Oh, it's boat day, bitches. It's boat day. It's boat day, Sandra. Sorry, I'm trying to shut me It's boat day. It's boat day. It's hot. Don't nobody. Oh, hell no.
You're looking for us or what?
He's gone. Yeah, he's gone. Keep up.
No problem.
Oh,
That's drunk. I don't know why he's doing that small screen.
Child, what I've learned is nobody got AC like Americans. Cause it's hot everywhere we go. It's hot.
It might be ghetto, but we don't be hot like this inside.
We don't.
Indoors.
Indoors.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
It's Yachtnik check-in. We have our skipper. We're on the marina. Wave, guys.
Oh, you said wave.
Yeah, I said wave. Give me a, hey.
Not just a regular boat. Yeah. We got a yacht with it. Big yacht. Big yacht.
We in the yacht.
Oh, whoa.
Here we go. This is the boat. So this is our boat.
Yeah, we've been calling them.
Our yachts, our yacht. It's nice. Boat tour, mini boat tour. We gotta walk the plank to get on, which is scary. Okay, this is the kitchen area. Oh my gosh, look at the floors.
Oh yeah, how you can see the
water. Okay, let's step down. Bathroom.
They all got a bathroom.
We all have a bathroom? So this is one bed.
Oh, and then the bathroom.
Bathroom, okay. Ooh, it's very claustrophobic in here. It's cute or whatever.
The thing is 8 of us.
So it's two
It's right
rooms.
here.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
The other side is the same.
Yeah. Oh, I ain't been on this side.
Let's see. Here's the little deck part. We have AC, I believe. Yeah, the two rooms are the same. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's the water smell.
It's gone.
Yeah.
My house there.
Who child?
Yeah. Is there a shower over there too?
Yeah, they are the same.
This one got a shower. Ours got a shower.
Y'all pick y'all rooms at Baggers Club already?
Yeah. I just put my hat there.
Okay. You on this side?
Yeah.
So, I'll pick my room. Okay, it's pretty cool in here. I don't know how we're gonna do this sleeping together for a week, but child. No, this is just a toilet. Okay, let's go up the stairs on the boat. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, you can feel it moving.
It's good.
I'm scared. Oh,
I'm ready.
are you ready to live on the bed?
This one I'm gonna be sleeping.
Okay. Can't believe I'm about to be on a boat for a whole 7 full days. I think Trey went to the bathroom. I don't know what he switched to nozzle.
I don't know, but I'm gonna go get my sleeping. I'm ready to get ready.
I'm about to take my clothes off.
Ooh, how did I get up here?
Whew. Feel like I'm a big body bitch. OMG.
Hi guys. We're about to live on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We're literally living on top of water.
This is black girl luxury to a whole nother level, guys.
That's what I'm saying.
Tickets to these places don't come cheap.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what Drake said.
It's lit.
But you can never.
Ever.
Can you even spell Croatia? It took me a while, so I get it.
Oh my
Oh.
Ooh, if I was
Oh.
I didn't even know you was here, Julie. Who you think you is?
Right, who you think you are?
No, you not.
Are you?
You know you ain't that nigga you think you is.
Hold up, bitch. Hold up.
Okay, show us how to pose in the angles so we know.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences.
Here's the Yachtnik.
You got what you do.
So we're about to take a water taxi to dinner. I'm trying to focus.
This is cute.
Okay, you guys come. Is this for Yoli? And You were here.
OMG.
I want to see
Okay. We're taking a water taxi to dinner. Not fuck Julian. Fuck Julian. Fuck this. Fuck that. I need to put my glasses on because I really can't see.
some prime photos of a nigga.
Okay, we can, yeah, because you got on the white, you got on the Frankie Beverly and Maid special on day one.
I'm trying to.
Oh God, I can't.
Content, bitch.
It's so
It's
dark.
giving
What is it getting?
all type of vibes.
You moving too much, Trey.
My bad.
But the app is pretty bad.
I'm gonna stand
Hi,
still.
y'all.
Sometimes it doesn't like stuff.
I don't know what we eating though. We'll be about to go to dinner. And yeah, I got it.
We just need a couple people to be able to.
I mean, even just give one person my number in case we have.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing, been like
Wait. I'm gonna give it a little toast. Okay, first main speech.
I'm gonna just say I appreciate everyone at this table.
Everyone at the table.
This nigga asked in real life. No, she won't. Yeah, down here, nigga, I don't give a fuck about musclehead. I'll snatch them braids.
Okay, first mate.
I just want to say thank you everybody for coming out. This is the group I wanted, and I'm so glad it happened.
Oh my God, we made the line.
No shade, all tea. This is the group I wanted, and I'm glad all y'all came so we can all have a good time.
You always saying some foul shit in your little messages and things.
Don't get fucked up. That's because I be trying to set boundaries.
Finish, goddamn.
But I do love y'all. Y'all are the best. I appreciate everything. Stop, sit down.
Nigga, I know. Listen, come on, let's go.
But I do love y'all. I'm happy y'all here. I hope y'all have a good week.
Ain't no hope. We paid $3,000. You working hard, too.
I don't know about y'all, but I spent about 5 days.
I didn't need to.
I don't even know how much I spent.
It was about 5. It was a little under 5. $4.50.
Because Yachtnik was 3 something and then
picture that I took. I'm gonna start scrapbooking, so I want to start taking like tangible photos. But y'all get the picture. So we got breakfast cooking up. Nicole chefing it up. Oh yes, sunglasses.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny.
Breakfast getting ready. Spread on the boat. Oh, chefing it up.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man.
Really nice out here. I got some sunscreen on. We're just sailing to our place for the day, and we're doing like some cave tour, a speedboat cave tour. That's what we're doing. That should be fun. So yeah, I'm just relaxed. And I'll catch on a little bit.
Yeah, girl, I know you want her. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm
On the speedboat. I don't know where we're going. Going to the Blue Cave. Raven's the adventure connoisseur. Yeah. So wait, where we going? It's just taking us around the island?
It's taking us around to the different bays or coasts, whatever.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like a resort for the day. That's why I was like, I have my Tomb Raider outfit on.
Wait, did he say it's speedboat or speedboat?
Right. I'm a little scared. It's a little nervous.
she don't need a map. What if we make an agreement then we can't just while we're being friends, girl? I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride a bike like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong.
So they about to get us, we're about to go to this beach, and I'm waiting on this little baby boat to come get us, take us to the shore. I need my life jacket, cause I know how to swim a little bit, but I ain't this brave. I know my limits. I know my limits. Oh shit. Are they bringing their phones? Are they bringing their phones?
Everything is not
No.
like a bike. It's around their neck.
Y'all got your phone around your neck?
Yeah.
Oh.
Raven, come on. I'm not about to be on your.
See, I feel like I could do this, but I'm scary.
I think I would do it.
Go ahead, Sanaja.
My thing is.
So we're at the Blue Cave right now. We just paid 50 kunas to go through this cave, and it was really nothing. But it's really nice. People be swimming in here and everything. Right? I know Nisha and them was swimming. And Hannah. Oh, they just got out the water. Okay, cute. They just about to get out the water. Everything I do, I put on my life vest because I know my limits. I know my limits. I'm not on it. I took some decent pictures. But yeah, it's real cute. It's really pretty. So pretty. Samantha's trying to get in the water.
What you say, couple?
But like, take a deep breath, like, kind of like be still. Like you see, I'm like slow. I'm not giving swimming lessons in the cave.
Yeah, just relax.
Relax. Move your legs first. You're still. There you go. Keep your legs moving.
Swim lessons.
Right. I said swimming lessons in the cave.
Come on, you got it.
Hey, there you go. I am so proud.
You go. Now calm down. You don't even gotta do it fast. Just go slow. Your body wants to do it. Yeah, friend.
Okay.
The whole community. Don't slow. Let the water move around. Slow. Don't forget.
When you trying to convince yourself?
I'm good.
There you go.
Can I put my feet in the water?
I'm fine.
I was like, Raven, I'm looking at you. Raven, like, you are not fine.
Did you get me?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'm recording.
I'm gonna get in there. I want some pictures with y'all.
Okay, I'm good.
We're going to another beach, y'all.
Look at Sina. Oh. I'm like, can I put my feet in? Oh, we too far down. I mean, we too far up.
Just like, here, just take my hand. You still gotta move.
Who's child? They are some troopers. These girls is brave. No. I'm okay. Not the girls. Y'all like cheetah girls, cheetah sisters.
Cheetah friends, cheetah sisters.
I go get my picture.
Let me see it from here. Okay, we're going to this beach. Yeah.
You want to stay over here?
Oh yeah.
Down there pretty.
Yeah, by the water.
We can walk through there.
Right. You done ran huh? On the speedboat.
Is your in the water pump? Not on the pump, but your other pump.
Made it to the water.
By the time we was like getting in the water, he was already coming back with the boat.
The girls are having fun at sea. Hello, party people.
Hello.
Right.
Okay, we go to the green cave. The green cave is the Geo Park. Why is the name the green cave? You build a rope in the floor. When the sun is coming on the rope, you have a green line. Today the sun is back. What?
Are those bad?
Yeah.
You said yes?
Oh,
Yes, the sun is small. The sun is 30%. And the normal sun, then the green line is good. You know, but the sun is fine.
then I'm gonna go drink that.
Hold on.